Hello everyone. In this screencast, I will quickly demonstrate how to recover deleted course content, such as pages, assignments, discussions, announcements and more in Canvas LMS. First, let's click on the Assignments tab in the left course navigation. Then I will select the Final Project Literature Review Paper assignment. Suppose you were working on this final project to clarify some instructions, but then decided to replace it with a different assignment. To delete the literature review project, you returned to the Assignments tab and clicked on the More Options icon at the far right of the assignment and chose Delete from the drop-down menu. Finally, you confirmed by clicking OK in the pop-up. Now, as you start working on the new project for your students, you realize you might need some of the instructions from the literature review assignment. To restore the deleted assignment, follow these steps. First, click on the Home button at the top of the left course navigation. Second, in your browser's address bar, type /undelete and press Enter. On this page, you will see a list of deleted course content. Find the assignment you want to restore and click the Restore button next to it. In my case, I will click Restore for the Final Project Literature Review Paper assignment and confirm by clicking OK in the pop-up. To double check, let's go back to the Assignments tab. As you can see here, the final project has been successfully restored. I hope this quick tutorial helps you effectively manage your Canvas LMS content. Thank you for watching.